Hello everyone, I am Sanjay Gupta. I welcome you on Sanjay Gupta Tech School. So today is day 9 of this cybersecurity bootcamp and I welcome you all in the session and I welcome Sumit as well. So Sumit is sharing his all the knowledge related to cybersecurity which is totally related to web application security. So let's start with the day 9 session and over to you Sumit. Please start the session. I think share. Just need to share. I think now you will be able to share the screen.
Hello, welcome again on this Cybersecurity Bootcamp Day 9. My name is Sumit Jain, and today we will talk about how to collect some information. We already discussed some of the web applications, some of the websites we used for collecting the target information related to subdomains, URLs, and something more. Today is the day 2 of collecting information. So, before starting this, let me introduce myself. So guys, my name is Sumit Jain and I'm a ethical hacker and cybersecurity expert, currently working as a Synac Red Team and Pentabug Red Team member, where I am testing multiple companies' target and handling their security by reporting some bugs. Apart from that, I am working as a senior security specialist at Gtron Networks, where I am currently training some of the students, professionals, or freshers to build their career in cybersecurity. I have 10 plus years experience in this domain, and I have 5 plus years experience in web application security. Before before this, I'm working as a guest instructor at Central Detective Training School, where my part is training police officials and etc. Now I'm sharing my knowledge onto YouTube with this boot camp. So you can follow me on my YouTube channel. The name is Cybersecurity Zone, where you will find videos related to web application security, mobile application security, and the other stream as well. You can follow, and you can follow Sanjay Gupta Tech School as well, uh, where you will be see this boot camp, and you can interact me with on live session. Please share and review or feedback about this bootcamp. What do you like it? What do you achieve it? Or what will you learn? If you have some queries and question, you can ping me on these below platforms. I'm available on LinkedIn and Twitter or Telegram as well. You can find all the links in video description. So we are discussing about how to collect some information. The process is called footprinting. And before starting this, let me recap you something. We collected some information related to subdomains. I use some different websites to collect the information related to our target. We collect some subdomains. We collect important links as well. We also collected some of the technologies which websites are built on. So we use a website. The name is built with. Today we are talking about some more information, and to do that we use these websites you are seeing right now. So sslabs.com, what is my IP address.com, iplogger.org, receive.sms.co, instantemail.org. So we are using these websites or application as well for collecting the information. So let's see what these websites will do and how to use these applications to collect the information about your target. So let's move on to our. So first, I'm using sslabs.com. So basically, this is a website which will test your SSL server, your certificate. If you are implementing a certificate on your domain, so what these certificates are, what is your root certificate, when your certificate will expire, or what is your TLS server, if you are using some server or not, what is your ciphers, and what are your secret keys, etc. So for using this, you will go to navigate to test your server. where you can put your target name. So in this section, already some of the website names are displayed, which will be recently scanned by someone. So you can put your target name here, like facebook.com. I'm using a public target, so facebook.com, and click on submit. As you can see, Facebook is using two of the server. One of the server is running on IPv4 address, and one of the server is running on IPv6 address. You can see the host name as well, server host name as well. And if you are clicking on this, I'm opening this in a new tab. Here you can see all the related information about the facebook.com of SSL certificate. So you can see the subject name is facebook.com. What is the fingerprint facebook.com is using? What is the common names facebook.com? Alternative names. This certification is applied to these domains as well, like facebook.com, facebook.net, fbcdn.net, fbsbx.com, m.facebook.com, messenger.com, xy.fbcdn, xz.fbcdn, facebook.com, and messenger.com. So basically, the certificate you are seeing right now is available or applicable to all these subdomains or domains as well. There is a mark, asterisk mark is also given. You can see a asterisk mark is also given. So this means all the subdomains are covered with this certificate. The serial number of certificate is this, the certificate is valid from 21 Feb 2023 from to 22 May 2023. So this certificate will expire in 7 days, 8 hours. So Facebook need to renew it. The encryption key Facebook are using is EC256.
Sumit, sorry to interrupt. Can you please zoom in more? Actually, it is very, yeah, now it is more visible.
So the encryption key which the Facebook server is using is EC256-bit. The weak key is no issuer. What is the issuer name of this certificate is DigiCert. So this certificate is delivered by DigiCert. Signature algorithm, which is SHA-256 with RSA, and you can find the other informations. Additional certificate, if they have any, the Facebook is using also an additional certificate. So this is the information of additional certificate. You can find out the certificate number 2, all the information, additional certificate, and you can see the configurations, which of the protocol is facebook.com is using in SSL. So TLS 1.3, 1.2, TLS 1.1, TLS 1.0, all these protocols as well. And here you can see if this protocol is applied or not. So Facebook are using TLS 1.3, TLS 1.1, 1.2, and 0 as well. There is no SSL implementation, SSL version 3 or SSL version 2. There is no sign of using this. Scrolling down, you can see what is the cipher suits in TLS 1.3. So these are the cipher suits using in SSL certificate. In TLS 1.2, these are the cipher suits are used. And also, these cipher suits are weak, so you can clearly see this, that Facebook need to regenerate the SSL or to apply some security to protect these. You can find the handshake information as well. These are the different Android devices or operating systems or web browser this certificate is applied to. So if you are using i11 in Windows 10, so you need to you are connecting with the domain with this protocol, and if you are using Java 7U25, you are connecting with this protocol. OpenSSL, Safari, Apple, Yahoo, and also if you want more depth detail of your protocol, so these are some attack related to your protocol you are using on your domain. So this SSL Labs will scan your target for these potential vulnerabilities, and you can see if your target is vulnerable or not. So there is no drown attack. Drown attack is not possible on Facebook.com. Beast attack is also not possible. Poodle SSL v3. All these are network based or SSL based attack, but Facebook is not vulnerable to these attack. So you can clearly see all these attacks: Poodle, Zombie Poodle, Golden Poodle, Open SSL, Sleeping Poodle, RC4, Heartbleed, Ticket Bleed, Robot Vulnerability, etc. And the test date is this. Right now we are testing this certificate. So this is the date of testing this certificate, and the HTTP redirection and the server host name is written here. So this application is used to test our domain. If I give another domain, like if I use some of the domains which are already scanned, and I use this random domain, I'm using this website name is papidonline.com, and you see the overall rating is T. The server certificate is not trusted, so you can clearly see the error because the certificate is expired. 2 months and 12 days ago, the certificate is already expired, and right now the domain is not on SSL. The website is not using any SSL certificate. That's why the rating will be downgraded, and more attacks are possible on this domain. So you see this trusted, not trusted. The SSL certificate is not trusted because certificate is already expired. This website didn't renew the certificate. So basically, all the users will redirect it to HTTP protocol, and all the data will be transmitted using HTTP protocol. So this website immediately need to renew this SSL certificate. If you are not renewing your certificate properly on the date which will be certificate expired, so you will face more problems like this website. This website also have some weak ciphers, and if you are scrolling down, you can see some of the attacks are also possible. So basically, this website, this sslabs.com, we use this to collect some of the information related to our SSL certificate. Also, you can also manually collect the certification info as well. For this, you need to go to the application, then click on here, and then click on connection secure, click on more information, and you can see the certificate this website is using, view certificate. When you click on view certificate, you will see the certificate name, the subject, alternative name, all the information which are displayed here. Also you can test manually as well. So here are the public keys, fingerprints, and all the other information you want to find. So this application use a SSL certificate issued by the GoDaddy. So root organization name is GoDaddy and common name is GoDaddy issuer certificate. Validity, this is valid from date this to that. So there are two methods to collect the information about the SSL. One is using SSL Labs and the other is manual. Now, if you want a dummy phone number, if you suppose if you are testing a target and you need to put your phone number, but you don't want to give your personal number, so we have a application which give you a dummy number to use for the OTP purpose or for registration purpose. We generally need some of the international numbers as well while testing our target, because we don't want to put our personal number. So you can use this website. The website name is receivesms.co, here you can see, you will find the countries where 60 or 677 numbers are available for USA country, Belgium, Canada, Czech Republic, Denmark, Spain, Finland, France. So you can find phone numbers from various countries, and if you want to use a USA based number, click on this and you see all the numbers are displayed here. If you put this number on any of the application, so basically the OTP or any other information you can check here. If you click on here, read SMS, you see all the messages that are sent on this number. So while testing a target, if you need a dummy phone number, you can use this website, and you see some of the codes are already here. Some of the person are using this website for generating some codes or OTP. Now moving forward, we have another website is named whatismyipaddress.com. So this website is used to collect the information about an IP or the ISP server information. So right now, the IP I'm using, it is displayed here. I'm using a IPv4 version as well as IPv6. My ISP name is Bharti Airtel, and the ISP location is Delhi, India. The region is also Delhi, and the country is India. But if you have some IP and want to know the information about the ISP, copy the IP, and go to IP Lookup, paste your IP and click on Get IP Details. Now you have all the information related to your IP. So what is your IP? This is your IP. The ASN number is this. The ISP is Bharti Airtel Limited. The country is India, state Haryana, city Gurgaon, and the latitude, longitude of the ISP server as well. So if you want to all the other information related to your IP, you can use this IP lookup tool, where you can put your IP and know the details of your IP. Moving forward, if you want an email for dummy purpose, you can use disposable email address as well, where if you want to register some of the targets with some dummy or instant email, you can use this website, instantemail.org, where you can receive or can send mail as well. So this is your email address, wel55@freemails.club. If you use this email address, all the emails that is sent to this email will be displayed here. So generally, why we need this website? Doing the research purpose, you don't want to put your original email, so we use these dummy email as well. We have one more website for this purpose. The name is emailondeck.com. Email on deck. This website is also used to generate some of the temporary emails. So you need to check the captcha. After clearing the captcha, you will see a email address. So now you can use this email address, and if anyone sent an email to this email address, your email will be displayed here. Don't cross the page, don't close the tab, because once you close the tab, your email address will be lost. So if you are registering on a target, don't close the tab. Wait till your message or your email is arrived. So we have 4 websites. I used 4 websites. SSLabs.com for collecting the information related to our SSL certificate. Whatismyipaddress.com for collecting the information related to our IP. What is our IP location? Where the IP is located, or the ASN number, or the latitude or longitude of the ISP server. ReceiveSMS.co for generating some dummy or fake phone numbers. instantemail.org for generating some dummy email address. Now we have one more website, iplogger.org. See, if you want to track an IP address, so this website can help you. This website will create a link. You can forward this link to anyone. If someone is visited or click on this link, their IP will be tracked and you can see their location or their information or their IP as well. Then goes to my ipaddress.com to get the IP details. So how this works? So how will you track your how will you track someone's IP address? So you need to go to iplogger.org. Then you need to sign in. You need to create an account. For create an account, you need to sign up. I already created an account, so I will use this with my credential. This is my credential. So here is this website, how this looks. You need to go on location tracker. This is the tool section where you will find location tracker. In location tracker, you can use this create section. When you click on create, you will find a link. You can copy the link. This is the link. So if I forward this link to anyone, and if someone visited the link or click on the link, their IP will be tracked. So I'm clicking here and you can see this will ask to allow the map or to allow my location, and scroll down, refresh the page. As you can see, here is the information I gathered. So if someone is click on this link, so you will get all the information. You can see where is the country. Country is India. Device OS X, I'm using Apple and the Firefox browser, and the device identifier is this. And if you click this, it will tell you all the accurate location of the person which are using this link or click on this link. So this is the information. I'm using the Bharti Airtel ISP, the IP is this, and the city is this, state is this, and you see exact information, exact mapping information as well. So if you want to track someone's IP, if you want to track a person, so you will need to create an account on this website. Go to IP location tracker, click a link, create a link. Also, you can also modify this link. You need to go there and add your domain. So this is the domains are publicly available. Like right now, the link is this iplogger.com and some of the path name. So you can use your own path like free data, and I am changing the domain name as well. So I'm using yip.su and then save. So now your link will be your new link will be the new domain and the word or the path you put. So you can modify your link as well. So if you forward this link to someone will be trapped and will click on this link, and you have the information, you have their IPs. So for tracking purpose, you can also use this IP. This website have already various tools, but these tools are not effective. But the location tracker will be working fine and absolutely giving you the right information. So we collected the certificate information, we collected the IP information, we also tracked someone's IP. If you want a dummy number, you can use this website. If you want a dummy email address, you can use this website. Now we have some more websites as well for your footprinting process. So the websites names are, if you want a reverse domain IP check, like if you want to know that what is some of the domain names which are hosting on your same server. So you will use this website. The website name is yougetsignal.com. Yougetsignal.com. Click on reverse IP domain check. Put your target. I'm putting here target and then check. So this will tell you that 989 domains are hosted on the same web server as facebook.com. So on which server facebook.com are hosted, there are 989 other domains that use the same web server for their applications, and mostly because Facebook is a big company, so their server is owned by Facebook only. So all the domains is related to Facebook. So you can see all the all the different domains, attachment.fb.me, facebook.co. These are the domains Facebook used to host on the same server facebook.com is hosted. Now, if you want to check your port, which of the port number is running on your website, so you can use the website IP. So we need to find out the Facebook IP as well. For finding the IP, you need to type. You need to go to your terminal, which is your CMD, and ping the Facebook. So you will get the IP of Facebook. So this is the Facebook IP. Now go to there and put your IP. And if you want to check if the port 80 number is open or not, click on check. So this displayed internal server error. We want to check the port number 443. So also this website is not working, so we use alternate DNS Checker. DNSchecker.org, where you will put your website name and click on search. So these are the different IP address of different locations Facebook are using. So you can find all the other DNS records as well, like A record, double A record. If you want to find IPv6 of facebook.com, you need to select double A record and then click on search. Here is the information related to IPv6 address. If you want to find out the mail exchange server, click on MX and then search. So these are the mail server Facebook is using. If you want to find some text record, you click on search and the text record are displayed. So these are the text record of this facebook.com of different locations. We also have a website, digitalocean.com, and put the domain in the URL like facebook.com. Click enter and then you can have the DNS information as well. Here is the DNS information about facebook.com. So what is the IP address, TXT record if they have any, MX record, mail server record, double A record, IPv6 record, CNAME record. There is no CNAME record is available. So this is blank. CAA record is issuer DigiCert, which basically CAA means certificate authorities. NS record, name server record. So these are the 4 name servers facebook.com is currently using. SRV records, DMARC records, SSHFP records, TLSA record. So these are the DNS records of facebook.com. So for the DNS record, we use 2 websites. One is DNS Checker and the other one is digitalocean.com/community/tool/DNS. Moving on, if you want to find out uh, some of the links, like we have one website, virtual visual site mapper. This website I think is not working, so we will use oceanframework.com. So basically, Ocean Framework is a collection of the different websites for doing the Ocean work. So if you want to find out the email address of any domain, we have you need to click on email address. Then what kind of work you want to do? Like I want to email search. Then we have all these websites. So hunter.io, we previously checked this website for finding the email address of any domain. These are the alternates of hunter.io. So we have various application records on Ocean Framework. We have various applications, various website name. Like if you want to find the IP address, you need to click here, and these are the tools or tasks we want to do on some of the application. So if you want to find IPv4 address, these are the website name. You just like aslookup.com, you need to click on that, and the website is not working. This website is working, I think. So you can find the domain. You need to put your domain, put the captcha, and then search. So this website is also not working. Then IP logos. So I already told you about iplogger.com. We have some alternates like grabify.link. So this website can also help you to track the IP address. So we have Ocean Framework for doing the different tasks. Like if you want to search some people, so these are some people search engine like registries, registry finder, Amazon registry search. If you want to find out, search the telephone numbers. So these are some of the website you need to check for the checking someone's phone number. This is working like Truecaller. We are in India. We have Truecaller. So these are the other applications for searching the phone records. These are the application websites for searching the public record. Like if you want to find some birth records, some death records, or US country data, we use this website. So oceanframework.com is used for doing the many purposes you want to do. You need to click on all the section and find your desirable task, and then you have your websites. Then you can visit the website and do you want to find the information. Moving on, if we want to find out some broken links, so what are the broken links? Website is using some link, but the link is right now not using in the application source code. So if you want to find some broken links in your application source code, you use this website. The website name is Broken Link Checker. You need to put your target like www. I'm giving facebook.com. Click on find broken links and put the security captcha. Find broken links now. Click on find broken links now. So Facebook is restricting our accessing this data. So we need to put another domain. So let's change the domain. So this web application is processed. 2 web pages are scans and 8 links will be generated. These are all the broken links these links have these links you can find in the application source code, but on clicking on these links there is something fishy or something is not working. So you can find the broken links with the help of this website. We also have an alternate for finding the broken links. The website name is DNS Link Checker. So using this, you can also scan your websites for broken links. You can scan the whole website or a single web page. The website name is dadlinkchecker.com. So these the results which are displayed using this website. These all the links are dead, but somehow not moved from the website source code. So this scan is still running. Let's wait for that. Let's scan a single domain, single web page with the help of this website, and click on check, put the captcha. So this website also checking the source code of the application, and there is no URLs found with the error. So all 87 URLs checked and 87 is working. So if some links are not working, you can find easily with the help of this website. We also have an alternate, ahref.com. You need to create an account for using the website, and using this you can also scan your target for the dead links. Let's see if the results are displayed. Yes. So these links are not working, but are somehow displayed in the website source code. So this is the broken link. And if you want to check, you copy the link and put on your browser. You see the page is not found and redirect to some of the website, but this link is in the website source code. So here is the source code of the att.com where this link is located. Now, if you want to find some SPF records about your target, you need to use this website. The website name is kitterman.com/spfvalidate.html. You need to put your domain name like facebook.com and click on get SPF record. So what is SPF record? So SPF means Center Policy Framework. The record are using for generating the emails or handling the emails. So if a web server is using email or mail servers, this SPF DNS record will be used. So you can check the SPF records for your domain with the help of this tool. The tool name is kitterman.com/spf/validate, and you can clearly see the information of the SPF record. So these are all the websites we have. We also have one website which is sup.biz, and this website have different tools you can use for collecting the information. If you want to if you want to find out the IP, if you want to find out your user agent, or if you want to find out the locations, subnet, IP subnet calculator, CIDR. If you want to search on Google, if you want to use some encoding techniques, you want to use anti-Cloudflare techniques. This website has some automated scanner as well. So we will be using this in our upcoming sessions for collecting the information related to vulnerability. Now, if you want to find out some leak data, you need to use this website. Previously, we collected the emails from using this website. So let's check the leak data for the some of the email address. So there is no result for Facebook, but we can change our domain. So let's copy this email address and find the leak data of this email address. So no results found. That means there is no leak data available on dark web or any other domains for this particular email address. So you can use this website to find if your data is leaked on recent data breaches. And we have one more website for checking this. The website name is haveibeenfound.com. You need to put an email address, and if your email is breached or your data is breached on the some of the recent breaches of any domain, you can see the result here. So you can see good news, no pawn is found. That means there is no publicly data available for this email address. Like if I want to put my email address for dummy purpose, this is dummy email address, and you can see this email address is breached on these recent breaches like apollo.com, artse.com, Bitcoin Forum, Canva, Citizen, Dominoes. So the data breaches of these website also have my email address and my data and my email details as well. So we have two websites to check the details related to your emails, the leak data related to your emails. One is intellex.io. You need to sign up on this website. This website is paid, but you can use the free trial, and this website is free. There is no need to registration. Also, we have one more website. The website name is dhashed.com. This website is also help you to find the leak data. So this is a paid website. You need to purchase a subscription before using this. That's why I will not suggest you to use this, but you can use the free version of all these websites for checking if your data is somehow leaked in some recent data breaches or not. So guys, that's it for today. Tomorrow we will learn about how to use Linux operating system and how to install some of the Python or Go based tools in your Linux operating system. So the operating system we are using is this kalilinux.org. You need to download the operating system from here, and this is a Linux based operating system. This is mainly designed for security purpose because this operating system have some of the tools we are using in penetration testing, security research, computer forensics, and reverse engineering. So this operating system is dedicated to the cybersecurity. We have one more operating system for this type of work. The operating system name is Parrot, and you can download from this website, parrotsec.com. This is the dedicated operating system for security purpose, and you can use this as well. So from tomorrow, we are installing some of the scripts related to security written in Python or Go. So now if you have any question, you can ask me in the pin.
Yeah, guys, if you have any questions, so just ask in the chat so that Sumit can answer. And you can utilize Telegram group as well, right? So if you have any doubt, like you can go through the stream again, like it will be available in form of recording after stream ended. So you can just go through and whatever um, technical information Sumit shared with you. So I think everything is important as far as web application security is concerned. So go through the recording once again, and uh, I hope you understood whatever he explained. So Sumit, I don't see any questions. So maybe if they watch the recording once again, so they will be having something.
No problem. You can ask me in the Telegram group as well. The links are in the video description. You can put your questions on Telegram group so I can answer whatever the problems you have.
Okay,
Also,
so yeah, go
also,
ahead.
also these websites are important from collecting our information, because using this information we will move forward to scan our target. So while we do scanning, we need these information. So you need to practice how these websites works, how you can collect information of different websites. So go once more, visit the website, test with different domains, so you will have you need to understand how this works, and that will help you to proceed further.
Okay, so I think more than 75 folks joined, and right now also we have 12 folks. So it was good response, and I think once we end the stream, so more than 500 folks are watching the session, and a few session crossed 1,000 views as well. So I think with short period of time, we are getting good response in this cybersecurity as well. And as time progresses, so whenever people will be getting more insight, so we'll be having more response from the people. So thank you, Sumit, for your efforts. I really appreciate, and like let's complete this bootcamp as soon as we can, and then we'll plan some more activities with the folks. Okay, thank you, Sumit, and thank you, guys.